usap-usapan ngayon sa social media, maging sa buong mundo, sa buong Pilipinas pala, ang pangalan ni Mayor Alice Go. At alam nyo ba, sa pag-iimbestiga nila, may nakita silang kapangalan sa NBI record na Alice Leal Go, which is kaparehong pangalan ni Mayor Alice Leal Go. At take note, kapareho ng birthday. Panoorin po natin ang video ito at talagang mapapaisip ka kung sino nga ba talagang lumalawak na ang network ng ating Mayor Alice Go Leal. Panoorin po natin ang video na to, guys.
Nakuha din po natin na may Alice Leal Guo na nasa database ng NBI. Ito po ang Alice Guo na yon. Friends, I want you all to take a good hard look at this document. Same ang birthday sa birth certificate ni Alice Leal Guo na tumakbong mayor. July 12, 1986. Pareho ang spelling ng pangalan, pero ibang-iba ang mukha.
So wait lang, flex ko lang yung bagong gupit kong buhok at talagang batang-bata.
Na may dalawang Alice Leal Guo na pinanganak on July 12, 1986 sa Tarlac. Is it a coincidence that this NBI clearance was applied for just a few days before the date of filing of the delayed registration of birth of the other Alice Leal Guo in Tarlac City? Or is this a case of stolen identity? Has Guo Haping assumed the identity of a Filipino woman and then nearly a decade later run for public office? Sino po ang babaeng ito na may pangalang Alice Leal Guo pero hindi kamukha ni Mayor? Nasaan na po siya ngayon? Bakit kailangan ni Guo Haping nakawin ang pagkatao ni Ms. Alice Leal Guo kung mayroon na siyang validly issued investor's visa na papahintulutan siyang mamalagi dito? Which leads us to our next question. How large and what is the nature of Alice Guo's networks?